Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 8.0 Oreo head unit special for Hyundai Tucson ix35 29 to 2013. Yes, okay. You can check this as UI interface, and then you can change the time. Also, you can change logo. You can set the Hyundai logo. Okay, you can adjust any theme color from settings. Okay, it's a built-in DVD player, DVD slot, volume control. This is a mini USB port, IR microphone. Okay, let me show this head unit. You can check the Belsee logo. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit, telephone number and email address. Okay. Let me show the settings. You can check the system about machine is PX5 Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Back to home. Let me show the connect Wi-Fi. It supports Google Voice command. Let me show. Open the internet. You can use Voice Google. Moscow. Okay, it will automatically search the Moscow. Okay. Let me search football. Okay, it will auto search the football. Okay, let me check our Belsee website. You can search Belsee. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com. belsee.com. Okay, it's opened our website. This is new model for BMW. Okay, let me show the navigation. You can set the name maps. On the back, open the name, it will set the Google Maps. It also supports the Google Voice control. New York. It will search New York automatically. You can touch. Okay. Let me show the music. This mini USB. Okay, let me connect USB driver. It will show the music automatically. Okay, there are no sounds. Let me connect the speaker. This is my test speaker. Okay. Let me connect vacuum. Okay, let me try the music. It has sound.
It's my time, it's my life. I can do what I like.
Mute on, mute off.
I gotta take it to ride, so I can live it, 'cause it feels right, and it's so nice, and I do it all again this time. It's forever, it gets better, and I like how it feels. I like how it feels.
Okay, let me
I like how it feels.
show this dual screen. Okay, it will run the music and navigation at the same time. We can touch also control.
It's my life. I can do what I like for the price.
Then the background. That will show the amplifier. Volume control. Okay, let me show the video. Video disabled while driving for safety. You need to set it in the settings. Car driving setting. Watch video, turn on. Let me flame video. It supports 4K video. This is the Samsung 4K Diamond video. Meter on, meter off. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This is my Galaxy S8. So you need to open the Bluetooth at first from your phone. Bluetooth turn on. Okay, let me open the Bluetooth. It's pin number 40. Click search button. Okay, it showed my phone Galaxy S8. Get the command, please put the 40. Click OK. Okay, it changed the color. Show the Bluetooth icon. Okay. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, let me show the stream music from your phone. Volume control from your phone. Stop then. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website. This telephone number and email address. That's all. Thank you.